Splash! Splash, little learners! Hey!
In a shiny bowl by the window lives a tiny friend.
Her name is Goldie the Goldfish.
Oh!
She has shiny scales and a swishy tail, but what makes Goldie so special? Let's dive in and sing! Goldie swims with a swish, swish, swish. She's a tiny orange fish, you wish. Shiny scales that sparkle bright, glimmering in the morning light. What color is Goldie?
Orange!
Bright and bold, that's the color of her Goldie Gold.
Swish your arms like a fishy tail. Wiggle and wobble, don't you fail. Blub, blub, blub in the water blue. Goldfish friends say hi to you.
Goldie doesn't have little feet. She has fins that help her swim so neat. Side to side and up and down, floating gently all around. Does Goldie breathe air like me and you? Go! She uses gills to breathe in water too.
Blub, 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 that's what she'll do.
Goldie lives in a clean glass home with pebbles and plants where she can roam. Bubbles rising, pop, pop, pop. Watch her swim and never stop. What does Goldie eat each day? Fish flakes! Fish flakes! Sprinkle, sprinkle, hooray!
Movement break. Pretend you're a goldfish now. Swim in a circle, take a bow. Make bubble sounds, blub, blub, blub. Give your tail a little rub.
Goldie needs love and gentle care, fresh, clean water and food to share. We don't tap glass, that's not kind. Quiet voices are best you'll find. Kind hands help our fishy friend, caring for pets until the end.
Silly mix-up moment.
Oh, Goldie tried to bark like a dog. Whiff, woof, splash in a fog. Is Goldie a dog?
No, she's a fish. Fish say blub, blub, blub.
Grand finale, swish, swish, sparkle bright.
Goldfish friends are pure delight with fins and gills and scales of gold.
Goldie's story is brave and bold. Say it with me before we go.
Swing, so, swish, swish, swish. She's serum ninjas and swish, swish, swish. Goldie stands a pure delight.